Okay, as I was saying, we made a video before this and it dropped because she dropped it.
Sorry. I'm very sorry.
And when it said buttermilk sauce, okay? So, like, yeah, as I was saying.
As she was saying, I don't want to hold this thing anymore. It might slip out of my hand again.
No bad. Back in 9th grade, you dropped my phone and said buttermilk sauce.
Yeah, I remember that. Remember that? You guys remember that? Okay. What's with all the silence?
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What time is the first word that came out of her mouth?
That's it. No, just leave that there. Let's just walk away from it.
And let it record?
Yeah.
Oh, the monkey.
Oh, okay. I'm at second box.
Record the 8. What time is it? No, now that you're scared, that's
It is. Let's go.
Wait, can you get a napkin?
Why?
How do you spell museum?
Oh, I forgot I had my 100 grand inside my bag.
How do you spell museum?
And mute. Let's go. Let's go.
Where's the table?